You can create and send purchase orders directly to your vendors from your SalesVu account. To create a new purchase order, you simply need to click here and then select the vendor that this order should go to. If you keep ordering the same goods in the same quantities, you can copy a past purchase order or start a new one. Next, you have to select the products that you want to order. You can filter the products by categories or filter products that are assigned to this vendor. Then you have to enter the quantity that you're ordering and the cost per unit. As the last step, you can review the purchase order details. You can assign an employee to this purchase order, enter the expected delivery date, change purchase type, change the payment terms, enter any custom purchase order name, enter any comments, and change the shipping address if you need to. When you click on Finish, the purchase order will be sent to the vendor automatically. You can also save this purchase order as a draft. You can see the newest purchase order we have just created here on top. You can view this order, edit it, receive, clone, or delete it. Once the goods arrive, you can receive them to your inventory by clicking on Receive. You can enter the vendor purchase order number to match it with your purchase order. If the order arrived, but not all goods were delivered, you can partially receive the purchase order. For that, you can click on View and then receive individual products, or even partially receive individual products if they arrived in a smaller quantity. When the purchase order is received, the inventory quantity will increase automatically based on the purchase order amounts. Other than generating new purchase orders and receiving them, you can also browse past purchase orders. You can filter them by location, by the order status, by vendor, by date of creation, by products in the purchase order, or purchase orders that were partially or fully received. If you have any questions about purchase orders, please contact us by chat, phone, or email 24/7. We'll be happy to help you.